Welcome to PRISM, presentation, replay, and interaction with segmented media. In PRISM, media elements from the textbook and the internet are divided into small portions we call learning bytes. A unique feature of PRISM is a 4-panel interface. To use it, begin by typing a search term into the search window. The available keywords from PRISM are displayed. When you choose one, the 4 panels are populated with learning bytes: video, text, graphic, and assessment. You can page through various learning bytes in each window. If you encounter a course capture, CalNet authentication is required. You can sync all the panels to a learning byte with the sync button. You can also lock a panel so that if you page through in another panel, that window remains unchanged. You can also view learning bytes in a table of contents. The table of contents matches your textbook. In a table of contents view, you can view learning bytes in a tabular format or a linear section-by-section format. In the section-by-section format, the sync feature is still available, which returns you to the 4-panel view. We're adding new learning bytes every day, and we hope you use PRISM to better understand chemistry, and we look forward to your comment and feedback.